I never took ibuprofen for my headache, but it's all I got. Truck parked in the yard, but I don't have gas. Last week I went to San Francisco preparing for my future. Last week I went to San Francisco preparing for my future. I ain't go nowhere. That was just a character that got things going good. I just had my toenails cut by somebody in the house. That was still me, but I'm right here in Houston.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Zuzi on the track.
I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up. And the beauty of it all, I want to spend some time with you. And the beauty of it all, and the beauty of it all. Going live on bingo in 3, 2, 1. To play my music. To play my music. I'm fucked up. 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 I'm fucked up.